What's going on, guys? This is my MMA boxing footwork video, footwork practice. Footwork. It'll enable you to jump around in the ring, hop around in the ring. You'll be good. Footwork. You'll start small, build your way up. You'll only go as much as you're comfortable with. You won't struggle or get tired because you'll be doing the exercises over and over again. You'll be doing the exercises over and over again. That's how you'll build your skill nicely, nice and fast. You'll feel the effects of your practice right away, not long after your practice. Not after a few times, maybe a little more. You'll be able to go longer and longer. You'll get better and better. Then just continue practicing until you're as good as you want to be. It's as simple as that. Let's get this footwork exercise down. Alright, when you do it straight, you're going to move your foot forward. Then when you do a right straight, you're going to go like that. Bring your foot like that. Like that. Like that. Now a hook. When you do a hook, you're going to bring your foot like that. Your foot has to go like that. Step forward a little too. Hook for the right side is the same. Just go like that with your foot. Simple. Now for the uppercuts, it's the same. When you do uppercut, bring your foot like that. Simple. Now the right side uppercut is the same. You just bring your foot like that. Your back foot like that. That's all you have to do for the footwork tutorial. That's just that alone. What I just did is good enough for a workout. I think I feel a little tired already. Remember, start small. That's good enough for a little workout there, guys. Follow my routine. It's a nice routine. Maybe we'll get some extra straights in there, guys. We'll get some extra straights in there. Extra straights. Hooks. Couple hooks. Couple uppercuts. Good enough. That's good enough for a routine, guys. Good enough for a routine. That's all you have to do. Remember what I said about the practice. It'll enable you to hop around in the ring. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.